I'm going to share my top strategies for never running out of video ideas again. You just hit a creative wall. These tips gonna reignite your creativity and keep those ideas flowing. One of the tools that I use to help me keep my video ideas going, first one is VidIQ. VidIQ is a platform for YouTube creators to come and find research on certain keywords and titles and scripts even. VidIQ has a lot in store. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about VidIQ is the keyword research. VidIQ helps you discover the best keywords for your video titles, description, and tags, making your content more discoverable and bringing those much needed views. VidIQ helped me generate my ideas in so many different ways. VidIQ has this thing where it has daily ideas. It throws different ideas that you can save or dismiss some of these ideas that they give you. And you can get up to 50, 100 a day, 25 a day ideas. So that alone right there helps you get a general idea like, okay, I can feed off this title and change it a little bit if I want to, because I already got the initial thought what I want to do with that title. And another way it helps me is by basically, it creates a script sometimes. You could go into the generator and type in a title you have. And not to mention, it helps with the back end of your videos. And by me working on the back end of the videos before I'm posting, you can put in your tags and you can type in keyword inspector. Keyword inspector shows you what everybody's searching and the high volume and the competition that people's posting about that topic and the search volume of that topic, whether it's high, low, it tells you all that. So that alone for me helped me get an idea of what videos I wanted to make on my YouTube channel. Now the second one, I talked about it recently, is ChatGPT. Imagine having a brainstorming buddy who's available 24/7. That's ChatGPT. If you're struggling with video topics, just ask ChatGPT. It can generate a list of trending ideas tailored for your niche, ensuring that your content stays fresh and engaging. Script writing just got easier too. Share your topics with ChatGPT and it'll help craft a compelling script, from captivating intros to the informative content, making your video production smoother and faster. So like ChatGPT, I basically use it for all of my work. Even when I'm working corporate, if I need questions, if I need video ideas, I use it for practically anything. For this video, for instance, I'm gonna put in ChatGPT, make this YouTube title better or more informative or shorter. And I will say what I wanna say and paste in the title I have, and it gives me maybe 1 to 2, sometimes even up to 10 different ideas of how to say that title. That alone right there can help drive more curiosity to your video because of the title you've done created with ChatGPT. And my last tip is not a tool at all, really. It's like life. Just listening to your community. Listen to not only your YouTube community, but the people you meet that watches your videos. If you meet your people. I have people that's around me, I meet them and they realize who I am and they'll be like, hey, you do YouTube. And some of them have questions about the cameras. Some of them have questions about the microphones, questions about the setup. So that alone right there gives you video ideas alone. You just have to think of like, okay, that person is just like everybody else that's watched you. Somebody out there has the same question that they did if they asking you. I have a friend that does YouTube videos and she uses DJI wireless mics. She uses this and she needed help with her mics. Well, she was learning how to use the mics, the basic way to get them to work. Because immediately, if you never watched a video on these, if you just seen them, but you just know they do mics, you're not gonna know how to do them, of course, you're not. Even me, when I first had got them, I didn't understand everything that was in it. And I watched videos on it. I had to get them to understand that. Some people will just work that way. So she had a question about that. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a review on these. And that's what I did, video idea. Even that video generated another video. I had somebody comment under that video about the settings of it. So I did more in depth about the settings. It's just overall having interactions with people that's around you. That's why all I got for you today. If you got anything out of this video, you learned anything new, or you're gonna try anything in this video, like and subscribe. And if you like seeing videos just like this, stay tuned or just hit that notification bell to be notified when I come out with videos just like this. If you want to see how AI changed my career, click the video on the screen. And I can't wait to see you over there. So see you when I see you.